January the 16th. Scents. Plants flowering in winter often specialize in strong odors in order to attract a handful of insects that are still braving the cold. The strongest scents at this time tend to be found in London's gardens. The shrub Viburnum times Bognantense and Viburnum ferrari and all their allies are all widely distributed. Their pale pink flowers are typically adapted to survive the cold by having waxy petals. The scent they produce is so strong it can be caught by merely walking past the shrub on all but the coldest days. Another two popularly strong-scented shrubs are Daphne odora and Daphne bolea, both of which are often planted by gates or doors so that their perfume can be enjoyed all the more. The flowers are not particularly noteworthy, but the odor is reminiscent of roses and jasmine. Two other commonly encountered shrubs are the orange-scented Mahonia and the winter-flowering honeysuckle, Lonicera fragrantissima, which smells of candied lemon. In woodland, Dove's Mercury, Mercurialis perennis, is producing a more unpleasant scent of decaying fish, especially if it is handled. Its scent attracts midges, which even manage to pollinate the flowers on these cold winter days. Winter heliotrope, Heterocytes fragrans, is another flower associated with January. It is generally regarded as an invasive, troublesome weed, producing small, angled lilac flowers, sometimes in January, but in other years as late as March. These flowers emit a strong scent of marzipan. Victorians used it as a pot plant to scent their rooms, much as we use hyacinths today. It was also planted around beehives to ensure a good winter nectar source for bees. Two other plants worth seeking out this month for their scent are Christmas box Sarcococca and winter sweet Chimonanthus praecox. There are a small number of different sarcococcas, with the scents varying from sweet to almost overpowering. Winter sweet has translucent, papery yellow flowers, which have a complicated, spicy scent, which is among the best of the whole month. If bought indoors, the flowers will quickly scent a room. Even the twigs we use in Japan to scent clothes in much the same way that we use lavender today. Colour. January is not noted for its colours, but on downland, the stems of dogwood, Cornus sanguinea, are now the colour of dried blood. They stand out, as do the ubiquitous grey seed heads of old man's beard, Clematis vitalva. Where the air is cleaner along the Thames, bright orange and yellow lichens, Xanthoria and Candelariella species, also tend to catch the eye. In woods, vibrant greens are provided by numerous mosses and a small number of ferns. A period of warm weather can be enough for the sap to start to rise, resulting in small changes of colour, such as hedgerows getting redder and larches more yellow. Where there are birch trees, their white barks come alive in the winter sunshine. The branches of willows provide a larger than usual range of colours, with orange and coral being the most common. The general lack of colour in the landscape contrasts markedly with London's gardens. These have far more brightly coloured flowers, stems, tree boughs and berries, hand-picked by gardeners for the job. The Isabella plantation in Richmond and the garden around Middleton House consequently provide a little more interest than most.